Here's a tip from the whip. Let's go.
Wait, so Mark, don't you get rich off of like all your book sales? Like, don't you have like a lot of books?
I do, man. I got 12 books out there.
Yeah, you got like a dozen.
Exactly, and I promise you this, one thing for sure, I'm not buying Rolls Royces and houses with books. The truth is, actually 100% of the profits go to charity, Caring House Project Foundation and such like that. We've donated hundreds of thousands of dollars to charity over the years through products and connections and stuff through the books. And you know, it's always funny to me, man. Like, if you think you're getting rich off of books, maybe James Patterson is, but the truth is, for me, I do it because I want it. Our core value, our number one core value in all my business is Care 360. I spend more time and energy and money creating a book to sell, to give you knowledge for $10 to $15 than most people are out there. You're paying $5,000 for knowledge as a quarter of what I'm sharing with you for $15. The interesting point about books and audiobooks, most of people will never invest in a book. They're like, dude, I want to get rich. Buy a $15 book. Oh man, you're getting rich off of a book, aren't you, man? That's all you're doing, dog. No, actually, you're helping the charity. You're helping yourself. Let's be honest. Aren't you worth $15? I mean, it's so funny to me that people would think that someone's out there getting rich off of a $15 book. You can buy my 24 years of experience for $15, and yet you're not getting rich, and you're wondering why you're not getting rich. You wonder why you're not getting more time freedom. Well, I think we've identified the problem if you think like that. So, hey, buy the book, swipe up, get the audio. Know that every purchase that you make with me on my books, 100% forever, will be going to charity to help the less fortunate, knowing that, and not only that, helping you. That's the most important thing initially, right? So no, let's make an exchange and get the book. Bye.
Kevin's DM, I'm here to help and teach him what I know and how I did it to discover freedom. There ain't no question more Kevin's when he step in the door. He's closing deals. Time to tell him what the DM stand for.